Hello Pandora sisters. Today is super crazy exciting because my Pandora Brilliance order has arrived. So I'm going to let you share in the joy of my box opening. Make sure I do this carefully. Okay. Ooh, I like that. Nice Pandora logos. Okay, so we have certificates included in this as well. Okay. So let's see. This is very exciting. An envelope bag. 1, 2, 3. Let's see, what do we have? Okay, so this one should be the bracelets. Oh, that is so beautiful. Wow. So it's like an oval shape, a diamond. So sparkly. So sparkly. Quite lightweight, I guess because of the indent here. So it's not going to be too heavy to wear. Hope that it fits now. How to put it on? How to put it on? Okay. Okay. Wow. So pretty. So pretty. That is gorgeous. The diamond looks bigger than I thought it would for this bracelet as well. I don't know, in the models it just seemed a bit smaller than this. This is like perfect. I'm pleased with the size as well. Ooh, so exciting. So that's the bracelet. And what else we have? Matching earrings. This is the largest size. It's the 1 carat. They're amazing. Look how sparkly they are. So delicate as well. Looking forward to putting those in. And then this will be the ring. I got the ring in a size that I could wear on both hands. So it should 51, so it should fit on this finger or on my wedding finger as well. Oh wow. Look at the size. So this is the only piece of jewelry I have with a diamond in. Like a decent sized diamond, and look at the difference in the size there. Look at that. So this is 1 carat, and I don't know how many this is, but it's obviously nowhere near 1. But okay, so for those who are worried about what a lab diamond looks like, we can see here the mine diamond and a lab diamond, and they are perfect. That is gorgeous. So wow, I'm in love. And you'll be seeing reviews of all of the pieces very soon. We'll have a look at the certificates as well that get given. So these are nice sturdy cards, and they're sealed here. Open it carefully. So each Babies has a certificate and care guide. So that's nice. And I guess this is for gifting. If you wanted to give them to somebody else, which I do not, then these little mini bags. They're really cute. Wow. So I'm in love with these and the earrings. They have a matching set. How gorgeous is that? Wowie. So excited. So look forward to seeing some pictures soon. Let me know what you think. All right, bye.